Welcome to Collierville High School here in Collierville, Tennessee. I'm Kinley Metters, the webmaster here at the DragonMedia television production program. We are so excited to show you our brand new state-of-the-art TV production and student workspaces. Our first stop is the editing lab, where creativity comes to life. This lab is equipped with cutting-edge M2 Mac Minis, all running Final Cut Pro. And because we all know high schoolers love to break things, the engineering workshop is where our students learn to troubleshoot and repair various equipment. Now we enter our producer lab. This space is dedicated to planning and management. The director lab is where vision meets execution. The students in here collaborate on our show productions, and they also love the twinkling lights, because who doesn't? Now we're at the heart of our technical operations, the equipment closet. This is home to our lights, microphones, cameras, and more. It is also home to our control room server rack, which is brand new, state-of-the-art, and the backbone of all of our technical infrastructure. Which brings us to the most unique space in our station, the control room. This holds 15 spots, all designed specifically for students. From here, we control our live broadcast and complex multi-camera shoots.
This is our TV studio. It is really big and currently a mess.
Last but not least, we have our podcast studio, where our students explore the world of audio production. We are so proud of all of our work here at Collierville High School, where we put our hands-on learning experience into all aspects of our classroom dynamic. We hope you enjoyed the behind-the-scenes look of our TV station. Now, if you excuse me, I have work to do and a project to edit.